sebelum nonton, klik subscribe, like, dan share, juga bunyikan loncengnya ya.
Halo adik-adik semua, selamat datang kembali di YouTube channel Vision Kids Special Edition di rumah aja bersama Kak Laras. Nah, kali ini Kak Laras akan ajak adik-adik semua untuk unbox dan review salah satu produk yang dibuat oleh Magic Science Indonesia. Namanya adalah Scientist Kit. Tapi Kak Laras nggak akan unboxing produknya sendirian adik-adik. Kak Laras ditemani oleh Kesatria atau Kay. Say hi Kay. Nah, adik-adik sudah siap belum untuk unbox produknya? Kalau Kay udah siap belum? Sudah. Oke, sekarang saatnya kita lihat apa aja sih yang ada di dalam Scientist Kit ini yang dibuat oleh Magic Science Indonesia. Di dalamnya ada apa ya? Coba kita lihat. Wow, ada stiker Magic Science. Wow. Kita buka. Ada bubble wrap. Your favorite. Wow, di dalamnya ada bahan-bahan untuk membuat eksperimen sains. Sekarang saatnya kita coba lakukan eksperimennya. Sudah siap? Are you ready? Oke, let's go. Halo adik-adik semua, kembali lagi bersama Kak Ras dan Kay. Kita mau lakukan eksperimen yang pertama dari Magic Science Indonesia Scientist Kit, yaitu fizzing potion. Fizzing potion. Nah, what's the ingredient, Kay? Vinegar,
3 cups,
3 cups,
baking
baking soda,
and food coloring,
food coloring,
the pipette,
a pipette,
and the spoon.
and a spoon. Oke. Kita lihat ya, step by step gimana cara melakukan eksperimennya. Yang pertama, to make your potion, prepare 3 empty cups, food coloring, and baking soda. Put 3 teaspoons of baking soda into each cup. Okay, now let's put 3 teaspoons in each cup. Now, step 2. Drop food coloring into each cup. Okay.
The blue is yellow.
And blue with yellow. Okay, let's go.
Red.
We can use the pipette. Squeeze it. Yes. Okay, it is time for step 3. First thing first, we need to put on our goggles. Put on goggles. Alright. Next, take vinegar out from the bottle using a pipette. Press the pipette so the vinegar fills the pipette fully. Let's open this bottle of vinegar and let's see the magic. Ooh! When you're ready, drop the vinegar into each cup until your poison is fizzing, and it is. It is fizzing. We got blue and yellow and green potion. Yay! We've done our first experiment, the fizzing potion. All right, it is time to do our next experiment. Which one do you want to do, Kay? The balloon implanter or the bath bomb? Let's go to our next experiment. Okay, it is time to do our second experiment. That is the balloon clear bottle that already filled with vinegar. Okay, you might smell the acidity of the vinegar. Is it smelly?
No.
No? Okay.
Not that old.
And then the second step is loosen up the balloon by stretching it a few times. Okay.
Gonna go for the blue one.
Okay, I'm the yellow one. Let's stretch 5 times. Okay?
Okay.
1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5. Alright. And then seal the balloon with 3 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay. I'm gonna help you out to fill it in. Okay. We're done. So we have 2 balloons filled with baking
Soda.
soda. Next thing we do is carefully secure the mouth of the balloon over the top of the bottle without any bits of the bottle yet. Okay. Okay. Next step. When you're ready, hold the neck of the balloon and the bottle. Alright. Start to leave the balloon so the baking soda falls down into the bottle. Okay, hold it, Kate.
Okay.
Let's see the magic! Ooh, wow! It inflates.
It's freezing inside.
It's freezing inside. Let's take it off. Alright, we got the
Yellow balloon.
yellow balloon. It is time to blow the
My turn. Gonna
blue
put
balloon.
it. 1,
2, 3, go!
Six times.
Wait, what does it say? The yellow one? Here's one. It's so big. Watch. And you got to hit balloon. Hit the balloon. Yay! Alright, Kay and everyone, we have done the second experiment. Now it is time for us to do the third or the last experiment. What is it? Bath bombs! Alright, on to the next experiment. And that is the bath bombs. Okay, what do we need to make the bath bombs? Pipette,
Spoon,
a little bit of water,
some baking soda, and cornstarch,
and then citric
acid.
And then we need essential oil to make it smells good. And then food coloring and the bath bomb molding. Mix 1 cup of baking soda, 1 cup of cornstarch into a bowl. 1 cup of baking soda and then 1 cup of cornstarch. Okay.
All of them.
Yes, all of it.
Some.
Alright. See? And then
Come on,
just a little.
Yes.
Okay. And then you put here. Alright, you want to be? Okay. Do it. Alright. Put so to
All of
hold
them.
it. Citric acid.
Oh.
Okay. Mix it up. Mix it up. Okay. It's all bitter. Alright, you're done. See, this is.
Whoa. There is some fruit coloring in the bottom.
And then we will put the mixture into the molding. Okay. And then the next thing we have to do is we put it in the fridge for 10 minutes. Nah, adik-adik semua juga mau sadar sehat di rumah. Kita sudah selesai nih eksperimen menggunakan scientist kit dari Magic Oke, kalau gitu sekarang saatnya Kak Laras pamit. Terima kasih Mams dan juga adik-adik semua sudah menyaksikan video Vision Kids kali ini. Nah, sampai jumpa lagi di video Vision Kids di rumah aja berikutnya. Bye-bye!
Kalau kamu suka videonya, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ke temenmu ya. Lalu klik loncengnya biar nggak ketinggalan video terbaru.